Hello, Dreamweavers. So this is not a AI video, but this is going to be about logos, which is something I've been working on for a long time. How many years? I don't know. Done loads of logos. But yeah, recently I did this, so I just wanted to show you my thought process behind it. I've also done that one, but that's basically just digital text, but lots of thought behind that one. So let's talk about this one because I'm really happy with this now. I should show you the other one. Let me see if I've got the old one. Uh, let's have a quick open now to see if I can find the old logo. I can. That's good. Is that going to bring up the old logo? Yes. Okay, let's open that one as well. Good. Okay, and then I'll show you what my thought process, how I created it. It's not designer level, but it doesn't need to be. This is a printed t-shirt. It's come out absolutely lovely. So let's go into the video and show you. Going to be 5, maybe 8 minutes long, and show you how I did this and whether you do it yourself. Personal branding is massive right now, so I thought I would show you. So let's go to the screen here. This is the old logo. Can't remember how I worked this out. what I loved about this, first of all, was all the dots, because it was Phil AI. The dot there I changed to make it the same as that because that was different, and that and that. And it was basically human going into AI and the connection between the two. So as you see, the P's connected to the AI brain. And if you didn't know, a lot of the early AI stuff was basically thinking about how the human brain could work as AI, and a lot of the initial thoughts were, okay, how do we make a computer think like a human? So that was the idea there. I loved it. It did me for a couple of years. I really liked lots of things about it. I liked the thinness of the font. I think it was just Futura. And I loved this, which I got from, where did I get that from? I think it was a free, uh, one of the business apps. What was it? It wasn't LinkedIn. It was something like that. Shopify, I think it was. Shopify do a free logo generator, and basically what I did, I generated it in there and then used that and then changed it. Excuse me. So yeah, loved it. But the problems with it was, it wasn't very memorable. It was too thin. I think all these intricacies didn't print very well on t-shirts or anything like that. I had loads. I've still got loads of labels, and when you use it for 1 or 2 times, it looks smudgy and everything else. So great, but not great, and not very kind of. All the logos getting more simple and minimalist, so definitely not something that I wanted to carry on with. So I've been away, I've been doing lots of stuff and thoughts and everything else. I wanted to change it, and that's why I came up with this. So let's go through the new one and show you how I got to there. Let's go now. Okay, so minimalist, thicker, because I wanted to look, if you move back a long way, you can still see it really clearly. I'm always minimalist. I try to do the simplest, strongest version of everything, apart from that logo. And yeah, it's not really my normal thing, I don't think. But anyway, so what I came up with first of all was, I think there was a font first of all that I did, and then what I did was, I really like the idea of the dot. I did that on another logo just recently. I really like the idea of using dot to kind of use it in the logo, but then I could use it out of the logo in different stuff. So maybe I just put, I was thinking about doing clothes or a poster or something like that, and having a dot as the central theme. The idea is that it becomes relevant in something else, which I can't really tell you about, but that will become more kind of interwoven within the idea of what I'm doing. So we kind of went firstly for a logo, and then basically what I did, I broke it down into the different places. So this A came out really nicely. So what I did was I took that and then used the same dimensions on here. And if you cut the, can't show you, but if you cut the bottom of the P off, that's exactly the same. Okay, this I is the same as that I. That spacing is the same. So you know, all uniform, trying to get it the same and perfect. This is the same width as that. That would fit over around that. And then the bottom of the H wasn't perfect. So what I did was I took the dimension of the dot. Yeah, I know, all crazy. The dimension of the dot, I put it in here because the dot wasn't exactly in that font. So I moved the dot into that font, into that, and cut out the hole in there and in there. So that was exactly the same height. Then I took this, and if I cut that out, you'll see that that fits perfectly as a circle into there as well. The height and the below is the same, so that should be, if I remember rightly, that height is the same as that height as well. So it all kind of fits together. And for a logical way to animate it, I thought it could be really easy to put the dot going through kind of there, front, back, round there and in there. Excuse me again. So there you go. That was a thought process. It wasn't as simple as that in my head. Lots of messing around, but just for you, if you think about rebranding and how you kind of logically put stuff together, it's not always easy, I understand. Some logos I've taken weeks and weeks and weeks to create. The best logos I've ever created are really fast. When I created this, first of all, there's a few things I didn't like. I came back the next day and then finished it. So yeah, that would be my advice. Do some, do 10, 5, whatever, or if you have an idea, just go with that. But fast always works better for me. It just comes together and you go, okay, that's the one. And I love it now. Absolutely love it. Very, very happy. So hopefully that's given you some ideas to do your logo and your personal branding. I know it's not AI. I know it's not my normal stuff, but I just thought as I'm rebranding and do all this again, it might help you and it might give you some ideas about how you can go quickly through the process that most people spend months and months and months doing and never finish or are never happy with it. Okay, just a quick one today. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have got absolutely mind-blowing stuff coming very soon. See you on the next one.